Five mistakes you are making with your Facebook ad strategy. Today, I want to discuss about this thing. So, the number one mistake people make when they are creating their online ad, and that is that they do not have any goal or idea. They are just confused and they just they just click on anything when they are trying to run their ad for the first time. But let me tell you that each goal has a different meaning. When you want to create a clicks to website campaign, the Facebook algorithm optimizes your campaign according to the basics that, like, you want more visitors on the website, and when you want some post engagement, the Facebook algorithm optimizes your ad campaign so you can get more post engagement either in the form of like, comment, or share on your ad. So these are the conversion goals which people do not have. That is the one of the very worst mistake people do when they are creating their online ad with the Facebook ads. And the other is they are not creating enough ads. I was having a discussion in my online marketing class with my students, and we were discussing about the possibilities of ideas, and I just told that the changing of the color combination can have a huge impact on your ads results. So you need to understand on what kind of ad works. So one ad which you may think good is always not necessary is going to be good for your customers. And the number third mistake people do is you can't have all in your ads. When we are trying to run ad, we wanted to display about our pricing, product benefit, features, description, everything we want to add. So we want to make the process easier for our customers. But let me tell you that this is one of the worst mistake people do is they when they add all of the things in the ad. We have to create some kind of an urgency or some kind of a curiosity in the customer's mind when he's clicking on our ad, because we want him to think more about our product or service. So if we have all in our ad, it's actually impossible. And with the character limit we have with the Facebook ads, Google ads, we we can't even have all the everything in our ad. So it's better not to have everything all in our ad. And again, we are spending huge money to land each visitor on our website, and if we are not working well on our landing page, it is going to give again a huge impact, because we are paying for each visitor to land on our website. And if we do not optimize our landing page based on the ad we create, we are doing loss again. And then not having a positive attitude or approach is going to be a negative one. When you criticize, I'm just in my article on my blog alijaza.cu, I just discussed about negative approaches. You old fat woman, exclusive deal for you. It's a negative approach because we are targeting them with a disease. And if you create an ad, your forever body transmission starts now. It's a positive attitude. So the approach through which you target your customers also matters. If you directly hit them with their problems and give a negative impression, they are not going to like it, they like your product or service. So your wordings matter. So your content writing of your ad also plays an impact, and that is how you target your customers. So you need to have a positive approach in your ad, and you need to discuss with them in a positive way. I hope you liked five mistakes you are making with your Facebook ad strategy video. If you have anything, questions, suggestions, concern, you are more than welcome to ask in comments. Thank you. Bye bye.